There's a guy. Look, he didn't even know. He was like, "What's coming from above?" Death from above, bro. Death from above. That's what's coming from above. Death from above. Water balloon, bro. It's Songkran. Don't be surprised. People give me all sorts of looks, so I went live. You know what I'm saying? Yep, locked and loaded, baby. So we got the best vantage point, I think. We're upstairs. I've been making water balloons for the last hour and a half with this little gadget here. 2 pumps of that balloon, right? 2 pumps. Oh, wait. I got tunes going. I'll turn it down. Whoever is watching for YouTube, it's not the main part of my video. It's gonna fucking get me. So, look, I got water.